大家好啊，歡迎翻到嚟 Fujitoni Production 嘅 channel。大家玩 GT7 玩成點啊？我等咗成個月咧，就終於等到呢盒 Fanatec 嘅 GT-DD Pro 啦。咁我就打算用佢咧嚟取代我而家手上嘅 G29嘅。咁今日啦，我就準備開箱呢一盒嘢俾大家睇啦，同埋側邊呢啲嘅配件嘅。咁事不宜遲啦，我而家開箱先。
That's what you can say, it's creative. Yeah. Go for what you know. Ready to drop you the rock you rock. That was for me, son. You see. That's what you can say, it's creative. Yeah. Go for what you know. Ready to drop you the rock you rock. That was for me, son. You see.
咁今日嘅開箱就嚟到呢度啦。如果中意我哋影片嘅朋友，記得 like 同 subscribe 我哋 channel 啊！如果覺得好嘅，記得 share 埋俾你嘅朋友仔睇。咁我哋下次見啦，拜拜。